Welcome back to ORG New Update, where we don't just talk about cars, we experience them. Today's machine is not built to follow rules, it exists to rewrite them. This is the 26 era Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, a name that already lives in automotive history, now imagined and refined for a new generation of hypercar obsession. The moment you see this car, it feels less like a vehicle and more like a controlled missile wrapped in carbon fiber. The exterior is designed entirely around speed, not fashion, yet it somehow becomes beautiful because of that honesty. The elongated long-tail rear stretches the airflow cleanly behind the car, reducing drag at extreme speeds. Every surface has a purpose, from the laser-focused front intakes to the deep side channels that feed air exactly where the quad turbocharged heart needs it. The signature exposed carbon fiber body, paired with aggressive orange accents, isn't for attention. It's a reminder that weight reduction and aerodynamics rule everything here. Step closer and you notice how low and wide it sits, almost glued to the ground. The wheels are engineered to survive speeds beyond imagination, wrapped in specially developed Michelin tires designed for stability at over 300 miles per hour. The rear wing is subtle, fixed, and brutally effective, working with the extended body to keep the car planted when physics starts to feel optional. Inside, the cabin feels like a luxury cockpit built for one mission: speed. The interior doesn't scream technology, it whispers precision. Premium leather, exposed carbon fiber, and aluminum details surround you, but nothing is excessive. The seats hold you tight, designed to keep the driver perfectly positioned during extreme acceleration. The steering wheel feels solid and purposeful, and every control is placed exactly where muscle memory expects it. This is old-school Bugatti luxury blended with modern engineering confidence, where craftsmanship still matters as much as performance. At the center of everything is the legendary 8-liter quad turbocharged W16 engine. In Super Sport 300 Plus form, power climbs to around 1,600 horsepower, delivered with a smoothness that feels unreal for such numbers. Acceleration is violent yet controlled, launching from 0 to highway speeds in seconds and continuing to pull relentlessly far beyond what most roads will ever allow. This car isn't about quick sprints, it's about sustained world-bending velocity. The performance numbers remain almost mythical, a top speed engineered to exceed 300 miles per hour under controlled conditions, paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system and a lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission. Despite its size and power, the Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus remains remarkably stable thanks to adaptive suspension and aerospace-level aerodynamics working silently in the background. When it comes to price, this is where reality reminds us what kind of machine we're talking about. Expected pricing sits well above $3.5 million US, depending on specification and customization. And customization is endless. Each unit is essentially a personal statement commissioned by its owner. Production remains extremely limited, making it not just a car, but a rolling piece of automotive history. The Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus is not about practicality, efficiency, or trends. It is about pushing the absolute limits of what a road-legal machine can be. It represents the final chapter of the W16 era, a mechanical masterpiece that may never be repeated. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most extreme hypercars ever imagined, stay tuned to ORG New Update. More elite machines, more raw performance, and more automotive dreams are coming your way.